Who's that?
How are you? I'm going to see the lamb.
You gonna go see the lamb?
Come on. What? I'm going to see lamb.
Go see the lamb?
Take a jacket.
Do you want your jacket off?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's much softer than the original one. Yeah. So much softer.
What are you doing, sweetheart? You got a big lammy?
You tell Mom
Okay.
when you want to put it out.
Yeah.
Duck out!
That Uncle Dave?
Got it. Go lay down. Right,
No. Come on. Be careful. You gonna go for a walk? Where you going? Where are you bringing him? Where are you going? Where are you bringing him? Nevaeh, what are you doing? Come here. Come on. That lammy's sleeping. He's sleeping.
Get the lamb.
Get the lamb.
Lamb.
Lammy's sleeping.
Lamb.
He's stuck in there. He's going night-night.
Good night.
Yeah. Come with Auntie. Come on.
I'll go lamb. Lamb. Get that. Heavy.
Is he heavy?
Look.
Look, it's Uncle Dave.
Uncle Dave.
Hello.
Come on, Mommy.
Auntie. Say, come on, Auntie.
Come on, Auntie. Lamb. Move. Uncle Dave. Yeah? Come here.
Hold on a second, kid.
Don't go near the door. Come here, honey. Come this way.
You little cutie. So,
Lamb.
I need a receipt.
Lamb, come.
We got it. Oh, he's a heavy lammy. Where are we bringing him?
I got a lamb.
Where are we bringing him, huh?
I got it.
You got it? Oh, he's heavy.
No.
That lammy is heavy, huh?
Well,
Well, yeah.
okay. Come on, Nana.
This way. Let's go this way. Ready? Let's put him back on his bed, okay? Ready? Help Auntie. Help Auntie put him back on the bed. Oh! Oh, good job.
I'm going to go this way. Got it.
You got it?
I got to walk that way. Whoa. I want it.
You roll it?
Come on, T. Whoa.
Okay.
Oh, lemon.
Uh-oh.
Whoa, lemon.
You got another one. You're making a mess.
Lemon.
Give him kisses. Aww.
Okay, thank you very much.
He's a bit easier to carry, huh?
Lemon.
I thought you left him on that bed.
I know.
Pete wouldn't take him.
Here.
You only had a couple
Watch
customers
out
today.
for-
I don't know.
I guess.
What, honey? You got the lamb? You want Auntie to get the other one?
Get in the...
Auntie's got it. I'm going to put it on its bed so it can go night-night. Come on, let's go check these ones out. Let's go find a new one. Yeah. Huh?
Pete wouldn't notice.
Oh, I know. Hey. Hey, little miss. What are you doing, Button?
It's stuck.
What are you doing, Button?
Look, it's stuck.
He's stuck? He's sleeping. He's sleeping in the bubble.
Look, it's stuck.
He's stuck?
It's stuck in a bubble.
Yes, he's stuck in the bubble.
Stuck on night.
Go night-night.
Look, know them. Look big.
Huh?
I got it mommy. Look. See them? I can't find it. I can't find it.
You can't find it?
I'm not sure.
You're not sure? There he is.
This down. Look, that. I'm not find it.
Look at you. Running everywhere. Are you running wild?
Oh.